In this video, I am going to show you how to use the self-service function in the TRACpac app. First, open the app and make sure you're logged in. Next, swipe to the left and click on Self-Service. This will take you to a screen asking for you to enable location services. After you enable them, if the library has self-service enabled, a green checkout button will appear. If it is not enabled at that library location, you will not see a green button and will have to click back at the top left of the screen to go back to the main menu. Click the button and your camera will function like a barcode scanner. Scan the book you'd like to check out. If the scan was successful, a green check mark will appear and the book will be checked out to you. You can click the green button at the bottom of the screen to scan more. If a checkout was unsuccessful, a red X will appear. If this happens, please check with a staff member to determine the cause. When done, click Finish at the top right corner of the screen. Now your checked out items will appear in the Items Out section or the Service Receipts section. To get to these, open the 3-bar menu at the top right hand of the screen and you will see the options available. If you are using the self-service function with items from the catalog that have disks, please make sure to check that all disks are in the case before you check it out.